is Hella Harper's Hollywood. He came from afar, and then he was cast. Cause Hollywood's a fantasy where you can lose the past. He became such a star in the city of sin. Just a hat and cane, and it's guaranteed you're in.
Show me a smile, show me some grace. Show me the light in that beautiful face.
It happens every day in Hollywood.
All right, cut.